Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's conversation, Grow or Wither, a personal tale of choosing to thrive, is inspired by a discussion with my cousin who wishes to remain anonymous. Through my life's journey, I have realized that as human beings, we are either growing or withering. Yes, there is no middle ground. This realization hit me during a phase where I was caught in the grips of stagnation. I was in the lake of stagnation, a period of time that taught me the harsh consequences of standing still. Like many of you, there was a time when my life seemed like an endless loop. Days blurred into each other with no sign of progress or change. My life, once a beacon of ambition and progress, had become a stagnant lake, and my personal life mirrored this inertia. This was not living, it was merely existing, a slow withering of the mind, of the soul. Now I ask you, can you relate to this experience? If so, let us continue on. In this lake of stagnation, I learned a crucial lesson. When we stop growing, we start dying in many ways. Our creativity, our passion, and our zest for life begin to fade. We become shadows of our potential selves, trapped in a comfort zone that slowly suffocates our dreams and aspirations. We are living without purpose. The turning point came with losing a friend whose life was a testament to constant growth and exploration. Their passing was a stark reminder of the fragility and brevity of life. It made me realize that every moment spent in the lake of stagnation was wasted. It was a missed opportunity to live fully and make a meaningful impact. Motivated by this realization, I embarked on a path of self-renewal. I embraced change, sought new challenges, and I opened myself to learning and personal development. It was not an easy journey. It involved risks, failures, and uncertainties. And I've had my share of those. But with each step, I felt alive and engaged with the world around me. This journey taught me that growth is not just a concept. It is not just an idea, but a necessity. I want you to think about this. Like a plant that grows towards the sunlight or withers in the shade, we must also seek out the light of new experiences, knowledge, and connections. That is how we climbed out of the lake of stagnation. Well, as you can tell, this is mostly my story, my experiences, my life. But my questions to you, what about your story? What about your life's journey? Are you living in a lake of stagnation? We must choose to grow, to evolve, to thrive. So I urge you not to let the fear of change or the comfort of the known hold you back. Embrace the beauty of growth, the thrill of learning, and the joy of transformation. Remember, we're either growing or dying. The choice is yours, and the time to choose growth is now, today. Until the next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.